NASDAQ this week has risen in value, and we can see that 2446.34 was a support level that has held the price for several days. We can see that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, they all tried to go below and reaching the support level, but each time the price is bouncing back up, which means this is a strong support for the price, which is holding the price from falling down, and each time the price was pushed even further up. So we can see that each time the price has formed higher highs, and we can see that currently the price on a Friday has formed this bullish candle, which has gone outside of this small range area where these open and close prices are here. So currently the price is trying to move higher, and it is right in between this resistance and the support level. So each time when the price makes a breakout on the lower time frame, for example, I will share that inside the premium service with the traders so they can expect where the price will go in the future, what will be the target. Week currently looks as a bullish, and we can see that after the price has formed this bearish candle in the previous week, I was expecting the price will try to move even further down, and this is something that is visible on the daily time frame, because we can see that 4 days the price was trying to move further down, but it was not able. So this looks like something that the bulls have stepped inside the market, and also the sellers have gone outside, so I'm expecting the price will go further up. Monthly time frame currently shows me still bullish candle, and it is currently below the very important resistance level, which is 21,000. Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout? Well, this is something that I'm expecting that the price will try to do next week, and we can see the weekly also is trying to reach this resistance level. Daily time frame is also trying to reach, and this is something that I'm expecting that the price will go. I'm expecting that the price will reach this area of confluence, and this is confluence of resistance, because we have a trend line acting as a resistance and we have a horizontal line acting as a resistance. So I'm expecting that the price will reach this area, especially this one here. 20,900 will be the first target for Monday that I'm expecting the price will reach, and then after that, if the price managed to go slightly above on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame above this price level, this will be indication of the further rise in value. Will it happen? It is especially important to see on a Monday how the price behaves around this resistance level. So this is something that I'll watch on the daily basis to see how the price goes. So for now, I'm expecting that the price will go further up, and also if there is any breakouts, and also the daily analysis during the week. Each day I share the details with the traders inside the premium service, so you can also expect to receive that if you join. Feel free to join. Now this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.